This literature kit on Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry by Mildred D. Taylor offers questions that are challenging enough to push students to think deeply about the text. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Imagine what little man is beginning to learn after the incident with the school books. Explain what Cassie is suggesting when the kids talk about Mr. Morrison's arrival. Answer comprehension questions about Uncle Hammer's visit for Christmas. Put yourself in Cassie's shoes and explain what the Logan land means to her family. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as researching how racism and slavery look today, then rewriting the 13th Amendment to reflect these modern times. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create a social media profile for one of the characters in the book. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.